Hello friends, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. This side your friend Abhishek again from the Epic Sedu Club. So yeah, this is a new video, and in this video I'm going to show you a new website what Epic Sedu Club has made it for the SCM professional, which is going to help all the SCM professional, the people who are working in supply chain management, logistics, and procurement and inventory management. So let me show you that website, that how that is going to help you. So let me share my screen with you. So yes, just wait, I'm sharing my screen with you guys. A new domain that is on the subdomain of Epic Sedu Club right now. So the URL of this site is scmbooks.epicsedu.club. So yeah, here you can I was making it surprise, but yeah, I have already put it in YouTube thumbnail, that here you are going to find free ebook for supply chain, logistic, inventory management, procurement. So whatever you want to read here, you want to read, if any supply chain professional want to enhance their knowledge, they are looking for any book to read. So here this is the website. There they can find out all the books for the supply chain management, for the logistic management, for the inventory management, and for the procurement management. So let me go through this website, and let me show you that how you can download any book from here. There is not a rocket science. This is very simple. Like here, in this, here is the navigation menu for the type of books you want to read. Like this, first is for the supply chain, then logistic, inventory management, and procurement. So like if I want to go here on the supply chain books, then I will click on this, and here it is the starting of books though. So the first book is the essential of the supply chain management, the second book is the basics of supply chain management, the third book is the global supply chain and operation management. So this is the way you can find all your books. And like if you click here on this link, like here on the headings of this post, so or you can click on this featured image also, the book cover image also. So like let me click here, I will click it here, and here in the same one there would be a new window, and this is the about some of the description of book. So you can read the description, that okay, what is inside this book. And from here you will find a click to download your free ebook. So you will click here, and this is going to open, the new book will be open for you. So you can read it, download it, and save it on your system. There is no restriction here. So yeah, means this is only for the you guys, like so you can read it, download it, and save it on your system. So yeah, this is what I want to show you guys. So here right now on this site, like scmbooks.epicsedu.club, there are around 20-25 books I have stored here. I have around 600 to 700 books that I have to store here, so that it will be a vast option for you all guys, so that you can read it, download it, and save it also if you want to read it in future. So this is the whole thing. This is just a simple website where I have put all the supply chain related books. You can find it here is the recent one. Okay, like whatever I will upload here, you can see that there will be 5 recent books I have uploaded here. So you can figure out the like what is the recent upload on this. And this is the category management. From here also, like if you miss the upper heading, from here also you can go on that particular section, that from where you want to get this book. So yeah, this is all here, and I am looking for a big support also from your side, so that I can continue with these types of services from the Epic Sedu Club. So yeah, here there is a donate button also. So any type of donation, any amount, it is nothing, it is just $1 or cents, anything, any type of your support is going to help me to continue these types of free services from the Epic Sedu Club. So yeah, I am looking from your support also on this. So I am expecting that you will like this website, you will like the post and like the downloaded books here. I'm not uploading every single books that I have in my folder for the SCM or the logistic management or the inventory management. I am segregating it like what is very useful could be for you. So this is my idea. And yeah, I'm saying I'm looking for support from your side. So here means if you want to support me, if you want to support Epix Edu Club to run this type of services for the SCM professional, so here you can go on this donate button also. This will send you on the PayPal, and from there you can make any type of donation like you want to provide Epix Edu Club to keep these types of services. So yeah, so thanks. I'm expecting a support on this from your side. That's all, and I will keep continue working over these things so that I could be a small part in fulfilling the gap between in the supply chain area. So either it will be a theoretical part, either it will be a practical part. I write blogs every day, and you can find those blogs on epixedu.club. So from there you can read the blogs also. So there I try to put down the practical experience what I have in the last 10-12 year in the logistics, in the supply chain area. And now this is a new initiative to give you free books, free supply chain or free logistic books, so that you can enhance your knowledge also. So this is all about this website. I am ending this screen recording, and let me it's on the full video. So again, back to on the full video. So I hope you guys will like this. You guys will take this advantage. I am really working very hard over all those things to provide you these types of information or books or any type of supply chain related area in supply chain related areas. So I hope you will like this website. You will download it your stuff from here. And that this is what I want to show you all, guys, and that is all in this today video. So let's meet in another video. So thanks for watching this video, and please keep subscribing our channel, that is Epix Edu Club. If you want to read my blogs, that you can visit epixedu.club, and if you want to read the supply chain books, that is scmbooks.epixedu.club. So thanks for giving your support from last 6 months on this my blog. So I am expecting the support on this new website also, and I will keep increasing the number of books here. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.